Hey friends, take a look at the transformation we have undergone in our 4 decades long journey of multimeter, starting from the 8X to M21C Handy. Hello and welcome. Take a look and feel the Motwane's new handy multimeter M21C. You can literally play with it. It's rugged and well balanced. You would really enjoy using it. The Motwane's new M21C is highly effective, compact, handy, and it is so light that you can put it in your pocket as well. It is an ideal tool for electricians and contractors. The M21C Handy's ease of use in industrial measurement panels, auto, machining centers and at such places helps small and medium-sized enterprise, SME, as well as other industries for use as a general purpose device. Even students at educational institutions appreciate the quality and ease of using M21C Handy. Here is the Handy's extremely useful feature, the magnet. You can stick it to a panel or any iron rod and continue working with hands-free experience of measurement. No matter whether it slips and falls from a height or is subjected to a sudden bump, the M21C is a strong and rugged product from Motwane. Now take a look at the large, well-enunciated display of the Motwane's Handy. Let us measure AC volts on main socket. The Motwane's Handy can measure voltages up to 1000 volts DC and up to 750 volts AC. The continuity feature of Motwane's Handy is another interesting feature where you can see the keypad lights glowing with an audio beep indication. This feature is suitable while doing hands-free measurements and at places where audio conditions are too noisy. You can find all the necessary functions that can be used to measure AC or DC voltage, current up to 10 amperes, ohms up to 24 ohm, continuity, diode, frequency and duty cycle, also armed with data hold and relative functions. Motwane M21C Handy undergoes a detailed calibration check using world-class calibration system traceable to the national standards. Just type www.motwane.com/calibration and you can download a free calibration certificate available on our website. The M21C Handy is CE marked along with IEC 61010 Cat2 and 600 volts certified with overload protection on all ranges. Don't worry, M21C is the rugged and most reliable digital multimeter you can rely on. It's simple and can easily fit in your pocket. Remember, Motwane Handy reliability in your pocket. For further details, please visit us at www.motwane.com.